India's budget history is far older than most people think. Not from 1947. After the revolt of 1857, this story actually begins in 1860. After 1857, the British government faced a severe financial crisis. Out of that crisis, India's first budget was born.
In that very budget, India introduced its first ever income tax. It was introduced by Sir James Wilson. The same Sir James Wilson founded the Chartered Bank of India, Australia and China, which later became Standard Chartered Bank.
Time moved forward and the structure of the budget evolved. In 1924, a separate railway budget was introduced. For 92 years, the railways had their own budget.
In 2017, the railway budget was merged back into the union budget. It marked a major administrative reform.
This budget story also has some remarkable records. The biggest one belongs to Morarji Desai. He presented the budget a total of 10 times.
And there's a unique detail. His birthday falls on February 29th, Leave Day. On that very day, he presented the budget twice.
But not every budget was about growth. From 1950 to 1991, the License Raj era. Starting a factory required a license. Foreign companies also faced strict controls.
As a result, foreign companies like Coca-Cola exited India in 1977.
Even the timing of the budget carried an old UK influence for many years. In the UK Parliament, the budget was presented in the morning.
Because when it was morning in the UK, it was evening in India. That is why India's budget was presented at 5 p.m. This practice was changed in 1999 and the budget began to be presented at 11 a.m.
From paper files in 1860 to today's digital budget. No paper, only a tablet. A story, a long journey.